It's been a while since I attended a poetry event. Honestly, I miss it. Open mics where folks gather around like it's a campfire sharing stories. Man, I want to attend to one. I want to experience the thrill once again. Well, now I'm contemplating whether it's a good idea or not. Would I be able to share like the old days?
I am a being of pure energy. This is just my containment unit.
Najua say? First and foremost, I want to say thank you to Rafinki and the team for the opportunity for me to be here. The darkness was the world outside and its shenanigans shut, offering me space and time to sit and dialogue with the self. A dinner table setting like the one Wally's had with Andre.
Yes, it was a super interesting experience, courtesy of Rafinki Open Mic.
So the word freedom as an acronym to finding righteousness, enlighten self, elevate, dominate, and occupy mind. They say each one, teach one. We living, we learn. So here I am, sharing with you this gem. Thank you very much.